Banks make billions off your savings, while your money loses power quietly in the background. But silver, it's outside the system, and it's been real money for 5,000 years. Here are 5 hard truths that'll make you question why you ever trusted a savings account. Let's get into it. Truth number 1. High-yield saving accounts sound safe, but the returns are weak and rarely keep up with inflation. Let's say you deposit $1,000 into a savings account at 4.0 APY and no more deposits after that. After 1 year, you'll earn about $40. Then, lose a chunk of that $40 to taxes and inflation. That's barely breaking even. Now, compare that to silver. That same $1,000 could buy you about 26 ounces of silver at $38 an ounce in today's market. If silver climbs to $45 an ounce, that's a 17% gain, or around $170 in value. And that's very realistic. Silver jumped over 50% in just 5 months back in 2020. With savings accounts, your growth is capped. Silver has no cap and real upside. Now, banks give you access, but silver gives you ownership. Truth number 2. Your bank account can be locked, frozen, or limited during emergencies. It's happened before, during recessions, during bank runs. Remember back in 2023, Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, it collapsed. Many customers, especially startups, relied heavily on SVP for daily operations and payroll. The bank's closure meant they temporarily lost access to their funds, which created immediate cash flow problems. Now, with silver, you have it in your hands. No one can freeze it. No bank runs where everyone's in a panic trying to get their money out. No uninsured deposits, no cyber attacks. Now, silver is permissionless money. It's yours, always accessible, no matter what the system does. Truth number 3. Savings accounts are tied to fiat currency, and fiat loses value every year, primarily due to inflation, and governments just keep printing money. For example, back in 2015, $1,000 bought you about 50 grocery trips. Fast forward 10 years, 2025, that same $1,000 might only get you 30 grocery trips, and that's being generous. Silver, on the other hand, has preserved purchasing power for thousands of years. In Roman times, a silver coin bought a good tunic. In 1950, a silver quarter, face value of 25 cents, bought a gallon of gas. Fast forward 75 years to 2025, a 90% silver quarter in today's market worth about $6.90 still buys a gallon of gas and a pack of gum. Now, fiat loses power, silver preserves it. Truth number 4. When you deposit money in a bank, they don't just store it. They loan it out, invest it, and profit from your deposit. Your $5,000 deposit becomes a loan they charge customers 18% interest or more, while paying you 1 to 4% if you're lucky. Silver doesn't exploit you like that. It sits in your hand and stores your value. And in a bull market, it can grow fast. For example, back in 2020, silver was around $18 an ounce. By mid-2021, it was well over $28 an ounce. That's a 55% increase. Savings account interest, on the other hand, still stuck under 1% most of that time. With banks, they profit from you. With silver, you keep the profit. Truth number 5. Savings accounts disappear when the app closes. There's no connection, no legacy, no story to tell, nothing to pass down except a login. Silver is different. Each coin you stack becomes a physical record of your effort. Years from now, someone can hold your silver and understand what it meant to you. I mean, I've seen stackers build their collection one round at a time and then hand it down to their kids, not just as an investment, but as a piece of their story. That's what I plan to do. Silver isn't just for you today, it's something real you can leave behind tomorrow. It's wealth that speaks for you long after you're gone. Let's be real, savings accounts do have their place. But in 2025, if that's your only strategy, you're watching your dollars quietly shrink. Silver gives you control. It's real, it's yours, and it stacks up over time. It won't double your money overnight, but it will protect the value you already earned. If this made you rethink where you're keeping your money, hit that like button. Drop a comment. Let me know, are you stacking silver yet or still relying on a bank? And don't forget, grab your free beginner's guide to silver stacking in the description. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and keep stacking.